Hi there, and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will show you how to publish a Webmix onto your Webspace, how to reorder or remove Webmixes, edit and republish changes, and, most importantly, how to share your Webspace with others. Let's jump right in. Introduction to Symbaloo Webspaces. Symbaloo Webspaces are personalized online hubs that let you organize and share all your Webmixes under one single, easy-to-remember URL. Instead of sending separate links for each Webmix, a Webspace allows you to gather them all in one place, making it simpler for your audience to access and navigate your resources. Amongst the benefits are: one link for everything, share a single URL instead of multiple individual Webmix links. Professional and organized, present all your resources in a clean, branded space. Easy updates, changes you make to any Webmix in your Webspace are instantly reflected for your audience. Better accessibility, ideal for schools, districts, teams, or organizations that need to share many resources with different groups. Now let's talk about the differences between normal sharing versus sharing Webspaces. Normal sharing, each Webmix has its own unique link. To share multiple Webmixes, you must send multiple links. Webspaces, all your Webmixes are grouped under one single URL, with a homepage that makes navigation easy for visitors. First, let's talk about where to find your Webspace. Log in to your Symbaloo account. Then go to the sidebar on the left and select your Webspace. You'll see a list of your Webspaces. Just click the one you want to work on. When it comes to publishing a Webmix to your Webspace, follow these steps. First, select the Webmix that you wish to publish. Then click the Share, Publish button. A side menu will pop up. You will have to select the Publish to Webspace button. On that side menu, you will be prompted with your Webspace URL. Then turn the toggle on. Lastly, a confirmation will be shown at the bottom left-hand corner. Do you want to change the order of your Webmixes? Let us show you how. Click and drag each Webmix to move it up or down. This lets you put the most important or frequent ones at the top, like your homepage or daily resources. To remove a Webmix from your Webspace, click then the Share, Publish button. On the side menu, select the Publish to Webspace button. Lastly, on the same side menu, turn off the toggle. Don't worry, unpublishing a Webmix doesn't delete it. It just removes it from being shown in that Webspace. If you make changes to a Webmix, like adding new tiles or editing the layout, you'll want to republish the updates. To do so, follow these steps. First, go to the Webmix in your main Symbaloo page or the Webspace. Click the share icon and select Republish to Webspace. This keeps everything up to date on your public page. Now let's talk about sharing your Webspace. Once your Webspace looks the way you want, scroll to the top and copy the public URL. You can send it to friends, colleagues, or post it on your website. If your Webspace is public, anyone with the link can view it. If it's private or password protected, only people with the right access can see it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.